Familia. Welcome to today's pre-market live stream. It's Fed Day and markets are trading carefully. Welcome. Let me know where you're watching from, guys. We got the Middle East tension, gold flying, and a big rate decision dropping later today. So grab your cafecito. Salud. And let's check the heat map and crypto together, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified every time we are online. You already know, guys, we do the videos con mucho amor. I hope that everybody is doing all right. By the way, tomorrow I won't be doing a live stream or Friday either. Tomorrow, obviously, Juneteenth. Nobody's gonna be the market is closed basically. On Friday I'm gonna be in California, Saturday California, and Sunday I'll be back. It's gonna be an interesting trip because I just wanted to explore Anaheim. You know, VidCon is actually happening. I'm gonna be in VidCon on Saturday. On Friday I'm gonna have Roblox YouTubers, I don't know, brunch or whatever it is. And on Saturday with some YouTubers, Latin YouTubers, where I will be meeting some of them and hopefully we'll get some, you know, golden nuggets, as you already know, guys. Trying to make it work on YouTube. And if you like my music, go ahead and check it out, bro. DEIVED. Let's go ahead and get started with the following, guys. Make sure that you can see everything. Here we go. Y dice, in 3, 2, 1. S&P futures are up 0.1%. Nasdaq futures 0.3%. Dow futures 0.1%. 10-year yield 4.39%. 2-year yield 3.96%. So markets are slightly positive, but everybody's watching the Fed at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So yes, stock index futures inch up ahead of Fed interest rates decision. And guys, I always use Seeking Alpha to get my latest information, especially in the pre-market. Now let's get to housing, guys. The numbers for housing came out as well. Housing starts down 9.8%, much worse than expected. Building permits down 2%, and real estate under pressure. Jobless claims dipped slightly, but the consumers still looking soft. Today's Fed announcement is expected to keep rates unchanged, but all eyes are on Powell's press conference. Trump's been pressuring the Fed for a cut, but the market doesn't expect it yet. Inflation cooled, but trade tariffs and global risk are rising. And now let's get to geopolitical headlines, guys. And I believe is this one. Iran's Khamenei rejected Trump's peace push and warned of irreparable damage. Civilians are fleeing Tehran after Israeli bombings overnight. Trump's team is weighing a U.S. strike on Iranian nuclear facilities. Iran says U.S. will pay a heavy price if it joins the fight. Markets aren't pricing full war risk yet, but this could shift fast. Let me know your thoughts, guys, in the chat room or in the comment section. I don't want to see a war, bro, but hopefully everybody stays safe, bro. It's kind of sad what's happening, bro. Dímelo, Mark Arujo. I hope that you're doing well with everything that's happening. Housing starts 1.256 million versus 1.35 million expected, weakest since 2023. Permits and completions mixed, but overall construction is slowing. Single family housing up slightly, but multi-unit down hard. Not the worst data ever, but definitely not bullish for home builders. And I actually want to go ahead and take a quick look at forexfactory.com/calendar, and let's see what we got in the calendar once again, guys. Okay, you guys can see. Perfect. So natural gas storage coming up. Oh, unemployment. Unemployment claims, guys. 245K. So it's lower than expected. Okay. It's good. Building permits. There you go. 1.39 million, lower than expected. Housing starts 1.26, lower than expected. Next up, crude oil inventories coming up. Natural gas storage. Federal funds rate, FOMC economic projections, statement, press conference, TIC long-term purchases. And that's going to be it for today. Tomorrow we got a bank holiday, which I should have known, bro. I would have been in California tomorrow. But it's all right. Friday, we got Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, CB Leading Index, and Fed Monetary Policy Report. Okay. Just wanted to flag that for those who are investing. And the last article that I wanted to review is this one. Let me make sure that you guys can see the headline. And it says, U.S. government to drop specific daily drinking limits. Will now say drink less in general due to rising health risks. Prior limits, 1 drink a day for women, 2 for men. Anheuser-Busch, Diageo, and other liquor companies lobbied hard during this review. Could this change the way health warnings appear on alcoholic drinks soon? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate it, bro. And the last article that I want to review is about commodities. Interesting. It's been a while since we talked about gold as an article. Hey, thank you for the sub, my friend. Do right. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Saxo Bank says gold could hit 4,000 in 12 months. And with the rising tensions, it can definitely happen, guys. When will Senseonics put out some good news? Great question. But let me finish this and I'll get back to you, okay? Precious metals are up big in H1 2025. Gold hit 3,500 in April and now consolidating before next move. Drivers, safe haven, demand, Middle East war, tariffs, and U.S. debt concerns. Energy prices also rising. Oil supply fears plus summer demand. This is not a typical commodity bull run. It's risk plus inflation hedging. And I'm going to go ahead and take a quick look at TradingView. Before I get to Senseonics, I got you, Marcus, because I do want to review SENS because there's something very important happening this weekend, okay? But before we get there, let's look at gold. In gold, it has reached a resistance. Over here, you can see a resistance of 3,400s. But we are back on this trend line. We're looking like we're breaking. Yeah, we broke over here. If we really want to go back up, we got to break the resistance at 3,400s. And it seems like we can get there, bro. It definitely seems like we can break the resistance. We are getting a lot of rejections here. And I'm going to go ahead and add the resistance here. So we're consolidating, but it seems very likely that we can break and continue with the upside. A lot of things are going down, but gold is actually going up. Hopefully that clears it up for those who are investing in gold. And that's looking good, bro. That's looking good. That rejection on the daily. Wow. Let me look at the weekly. Yeah, the weekly we had a bullish engulfing last week, bro. So definitely can continue. Let's wait and find out. Maybe a pullback once again. Create a higher low. Something. Let's see what happens, bro. I see a W for the win. But anyways, guys, let's get to SENS because Marcus has subscribed to this channel because of it. So Marcus, great question. SENS from 50 cents. We're back to 50 cents. Not a lot of movement. We are at a support area. As you can see, we have reached this area a few times. So before or after we actually went up to 140s and back down, because I remember we went to 140 because of the earnings. Everybody was expecting good earnings, which we did have good earnings, but not what people wanted. I never expect good earnings by the end of the year, especially with a company that's doing research and development. But in this particular case, we reached 50 cents or 40 cents, around 40 cents. 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, if you look at the daily, we have been retesting 1, 2, 3 times. Now, the most critical event for me, I already marked up in my charts. I don't know if you see it. One is the ADA event happening this weekend. Is it this weekend, right? Oh, actually, let me see. Let me zoom in. 20th. Yeah, it's this weekend. So, and this is what I've been waiting for, okay? And the most critical for me is going to be this European market timeline. So this is going to be about the third quarter, and it won't make it move either. This is only letting us know that they will be part of the European market. They won't have the numbers. Remember, they're going to announce if they're going to be part of the European market, and then we're going to get results. Don't expect upside. The only upside that we can have is like speculation. Speculation doesn't mean that we get the numbers. As real investors, what we're looking for are real numbers. How much does it cost to produce? How much are we gonna make from it so we can make money from the company's value? That's it. Nothing more complicated than that, okay? ADA event happening this weekend. Very important. They're gonna talk about it. And hopefully European market, we're getting good news. And there's more things happening. Let's see over here. So this is the one that I'm talking about. Senseonics Holdings Inc. to host in-person and virtual analyst event at ADA 2025. Eversense 365 continuous glucose monitoring system for people with diabetes. Okay, Saturday, June 21st, 8 a.m. at Mario's Marquis, Chicago. I'm actually gonna be in LA. I'm not gonna be here, but this is gonna be important. This event will feature company management who will discuss the next generation Eversense 365 continuous glucose monitoring system approved by the U.S. and Drug Administration, U.S. Food and Drug Administration for people with diabetes age 18 years and older. Along with comments from management, the event will feature Brian Hansen, who will speak to the commercial launch of Eversense 365, and Gary Graf, MSN, a PRNC, who will speak to experience with the Eversense system and the insertion procedure. Company management will also discuss the recently announced partnership with Sequel to integrate with the Twist automated insulin delivery pump and plans to advance its pipeline of implantable CGM technology. A live question and answer session will follow the formal presentations, okay? This is what I've been looking for. And something else that you got to keep in mind, H.C. Wainwright has a target of $1.10 per share. The reason why we went down, CNS raised $77.8 million from public offering, okay? Every time there's a public offering, we go down. Just keep that in mind, bro. It's to raise money. Senseonics plans to use proceeds to fund ongoing launch of Eversense. So that's actually good. We are getting good news, huh? Abbott Laboratories to purchase shares in separate private placements, representing 4.99% of company's outstanding post-offering common stock. We're getting big players now. There was another offering over here on Main, $50 million. Mizuho has a target of $2. All of these I've covered, by the way, in this channel. What I want to wait for is this European market. This is going to be the new one. This is going to be the biggest catalyst for me. But I don't expect big moves, though. Okay? I don't have a raccoon. Welcome, Dark Anchor. I don't have a raccoon in Grow Garden, bro. I wish I had. Somebody had it yesterday. And what car is this? This is the DeLorean, bro. The DeLorean from Back to the Future. It actually lights up and everything. Right now I don't have batteries, but yeah, this is the DeLorean, bro. And you can see if I can open the door. Right now I can't open the door, but you can definitely open the door. Here you go. Yeah. You can even make the wheels go inside, but right now I don't want to get confused. It's one of my favorite cars ever. It's my favorite movie. Okay, let's jump into crypto real quick and see what's happening there. Let's get to the crypto bubbles. Dímelo, Rat Reddish. Yeah, it's my favorite movie, bro. Can I share with you something? Nah, I don't know. So even though I got Riz, one girl left me. I went to see the Broadway show over here in Chicago, and she left me that day, bro, during the freaking show. She's so stupid, bro. Sorry, guys. I don't usually do that, but she is very stupid. By the way, let's over here. Monthly, we are red in crypto. Weekly, red in crypto. Daily, red in crypto. Hourly, whoa, my goodness. So let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. 103,000, bro. Bro, this is not looking good for Bitcoin. I think what I'm gonna do is accumulate. Actually, I really think that Bitcoin can go to 90K, bro. Hey, that's where it is. And XRP is not looking good, bro. A 1K giveaway? What does that even mean? Like, you won $1,000 or you just, or 1,000 Robux? Bro, even XRP is looking horrible, bro. It doesn't look good. So this is becoming a strong resistance. Look at that. Strong resistance for XRP. Man, we could have closed over here at 233, bro. Well, it is time for accumulation. That's it. DCA as best as you can, bro. This is not looking good. Look at XRP, bro. It's looking horrible. No. Look at Cardano, bro. Oh my god, guys. Get ready for... Oh my god, this is not looking good, bro. Crypto may be tanking for quite a bit, bro. Get ready for it. Oh, Robux? That's legit, bro. That's good. That's good. 1K Robux, bro. It says over here, Bitcoin remains below 105K as Iran's supreme leader responds to Trump's surrender request. So this is the reason why crypto is going down. The tension in the Middle East doesn't seem to be nearing a conclusive end, as Iran's supreme leader said his nation will not surrender despite US President Trump's recommendations yesterday. In the meantime, Bitcoin's price continues to feel the consequences of yet another global turmoil as it fell below 105K earlier today, which is a little bit counterintuitive because Bitcoin supposedly was not going to be tied to government news. As reported yesterday, the POTUS made some critical remarks on the Iran-Israel conflict, indicating that the U.S. intelligence knew where Tehran's supreme leader hid. Trump called Khamenei an easy target, but said he is safe for now. However, the U.S. president demanded that Iran surrender unconditionally. Cited by several media outlets, Khamenei refused Trump's proposition, saying that his country will not surrender. Moreover, Iran's supreme leader warned that there will be irreparable harm if the U.S. further backs Israel and joins the attacks. A White House official confirmed yesterday that Trump and Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu spoke on the phone while the U.S. continues to build up military forces in the region. In the past few days alone, the U.S. has sent a third Navy destroyer in the Mediterranean Sea, and a second carrier strike group is heading toward the Arabian Sea. So far, though, the Pentagon has denied that these moves are anything more than purely defensive operations. And Bitcoin's price slumped yesterday after Trump's statement and has failed to stage a meaningful recovery. It's unlikely to do so in the near term, and as the tension in the Middle East continues to escalate. So, hold on to your dear life. Hodl. Let me look at the DXY. Oh, and the DXY is going up? But not that much, bro. 98.67. Still in a downtrend, but we're getting across. You see, we're not ready yet. All of this has... Bro, I think after the Fed, we'll have a little bit more clarity. Good morning, Fat Nuts. How you doing, my bro? Doing good? Good to see you, bro. I already covered everything I wanted to cover, but let me go ahead and review a few things. Let me look at Rivian 13.4. Man, Rivian, come on, my bro. Come on, my bro. Back to the flag. That's crazy, man. I hope that we can just push higher, but if we go down, we gotta go down, bro. Maybe to $10. I didn't want to see it, but hey. Rice is still up. 1223. Palantir 139. Continuing with the push up. Crazy. TerraWolf is at 393. We had a buy signal here. Let's see what happens. Good morning. I heard some TA said we are going to crash. TA, technical analyst? I mean, if the war escalates, yeah, bro, didn't you see Bitcoin right now? Are you talking about... Here's the thing, Bet, about... Have you learned to be a little bit... you got to provide a little bit more context. But I do think that you're talking about crypto. Bro, Bitcoin doesn't look good. Bitcoin doesn't look good at all, bro. Look at this. Bitcoin right now looks to me, it wants to go to 93K. I mean, it's not a lot, but... Welcome. Why not live it up? CBCN. Let's see. CBCN. Is this crypto? Okay, you want to look at the market cap or you want to look at USD? Against the USD. Let's take a look against USDT. So let's do crypto.com. No, espérate, is this one? CBCN. Yeah, it's this. Okay. With the tensions that we're feeling, bro, keep an eye, bro. Like, just be wary, bro. We're gonna dip. If we have a war, we're gonna dip. Crypto specifically. You can get some gold if you wanna keep yourself safe. Safe haven, as you already know. Marking up support and resistance and strong zones. Obviously, the obvious ones. Okay. Actually, this can go a little bit lower. There we go. Okay, one more zone here. Let's add it. Boom. Every time there's wicks, add some zones, guys. Very, very important. And this is a strong zone, but will it hold up? I don't know. Let's look at the 4-hour. We're at the 200 EMA. Bro, it was looking good. It was looking like you wanted to recover, right? I got you, bro. I got you. So it wanted to recover, right? But over here, there's a strong zone as well. Pumps. It didn't recover as much as we wanted. You can see here, bro. This is strong. We couldn't recover. Once again, broken trend line. We tried to recover. Another zone here. Boom. Actually, this zone is here. That's why we went down there, but it got squeezed. Boom. And this was actually a great upside. This actually was looking good. We went up about 22%, which is great. But now back down. And let's look at the daily. Bro, we were overbought. It's the weekly. Yeah, bro, we're overbought on this one. Just watch out because that weekly is showing me signs like it wants to drop, bro. So I will say watch out for certain price points. We got 2 or 3 that I want to keep an eye on. For example, I will say keep an eye on this 0.0035. Keep an eye on this 0.0021. The best way is to DCA. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I haven't been doing it very well, but the best way is to do that. All of this is drop opportunities. Okay. Let's take a look at me lady. Lady USDT. For my friend over here. BetaBot. I got you, bro. There you go, BetaBot. We didn't get out of the trend line. See that? That's why I didn't want to get in or anything. We just didn't get in the trend line. Look at the 4 hour. We're getting to oversold territory. And the daily is actually indicating us that it can go up anytime soon. Let's look at the weekly. Yeah, the weekly is still on sideways. So I will say keep an eye on the 4 hour. And let's start looking at the left because it is crashing. So let's go ahead and see where we can stop. Some areas here that we want to keep an eye on. Yeah, so these are the areas that I'm going to watch out for. And what you have to do now is wait for that trend line to be broken. This one. Get out of here. Let's clean this up a little bit. Yeah, and there was a strong zone here, obviously. See that? But I'm gonna remove it. Let's not get too crazy. We had a buy here. That's why it went up. Then it crashes down. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour, we still don't have that bullish signal on the 2-pole oscillator or even the RSI. So the RSI, what I would say, just keep an eye on this cross here. Once that yellow line crosses here somewhere, then that could be a great opportunity. Okay, so want to watch out for that, bro. I think you are waiting for the right moment for this to blast off. I'm sure you're DCAing right now, so you should be good. But yeah, like I said, wait for this trend line to be broken. Be careful though, because Bitcoin right now is tanking, bro. Bitcoin doesn't look good. I don't like Bitcoin right now, man. I will stay away from Bitcoin. If anything, accumulate. Sad day, sad day. I didn't want to see this, but it's happening, bro. At the weekly for my lady. Let's look at the weekly. I got you, bro. Now weekly can even drop further, as you can see, bro. Go ahead and add more lines here. I don't think anybody wanted to go to war, but this is where we are, man. Dealing with wars now. What's crazy? I didn't want to talk about war, but that's where we are, man. Yeah, the weekly, this is what we get, bro. Strong resistance here. And we got a strong support area here. But if you look to the left, All of this is gonna be critical. Like I said, just wait for that trend line to be broken. I'm gonna go ahead and even add one trend line over here for the weekly. And this is the wicks. Okay, you should be doing wicks and bodies, but right now the bodies doesn't even look good. Oh, that's perfect actually. See the wicks, pumps. Let's refine this a little bit for the bodies. There you go. That's looking good. That's how it is. So waiting for those trend lines to be broken, okay? Super simple, bro. I think this is the best technical that I'm gonna give you, bro. Take a picture if you want. Oh, actually, I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't show you the price. I'm so sorry. I was reading news, so I didn't move it. By the way, guys, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe right now, bro. It helps the channel a lot. I've been trying to grow this channel for so long. And check out my music, bro. I don't know. Why not live it up? Rat Redditch, Dark Anchor, Marcus, Mark. Bet about, I don't know if you heard my songs, but I will definitely appreciate if you listen to my new songs. And, man, and just subscribe to the channel, bro. Check out my new song over here. I'm going to go ahead and share it here for all of you. I gotta be running to my... do I have a meeting? I gotta check out. Let me see. Today is my last day at work this week, so I'm going to California. Tomorrow is Thursday, so tomorrow I'll be chilling a little bit. Maybe tomorrow I'll be streaming gaming on the other channel, on the David channel. But on Friday, I'm leaving to California. I got an event over there. Hopefully, I'll be able to enjoy it. I hope everybody's doing all right today, guys. Yeah, crypto is not doing good. Anything is... Hey, oh, market is open. Espérate, let me look at stock market heat map. See what we got over here. Interesting. The market is not even moving, bro. It's crazy. You got a lot of gray, bro. A lot of gray, not a lot of nothing. Look at that, bro. It's crazy. Very, very interesting. That is crazy, bro. Don't you think? Wow, interesting. And the crypto bubbles obviously were red, bro. Okay, Bitcoin recovering a little bit. I don't know. Well, Bitcoin 104,000, bro. I'm gonna be honest. You won't be able to be a millionaire with Bitcoin anymore unless you have a lot of money. That's my perspective in Bitcoin now. Dímelo MXE, what's up? King just pulled an all-nighter, which I stayed up all night. Okay. What did you do, bro? Did you study or what? Did you study? Did you game? What happened, bro? By the way, I'm very grateful for everybody who's joining me from the King David channel, bro. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. It helps me a lot, bro. I'm trying to make a living with YouTube. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm trying to do crypto stocks. I'm trying to do gaming. I don't know what else I need to do. Betabot, thank you for supporting me, bro. Don't forget to like the live stream and go to sleep, bro. You're good. You're good. If you want me to review anything else, Betabot, just let me know right now before you go, okay? Okay, okay, sir. Have a good day, bro. MXC, what part of the world are you from, bro? Guys, if you're online right now, let me know what part of the world are you watching from. So good, MXC. That's good. I used to do that all the time, bro. Okay, Bitcoin is rejecting. Will it reject enough? We'll see, bro. Waiting for a trendline break here. This doesn't look good to me, man. Okay. Let me do something that I didn't do in Bitcoin. Okay, maybe we create a support here at 100K. Maybe. California? Bro, I'm going to California, bro. This Friday. And Saturday I'll be there, and I leave on Sunday. I don't know if I'll see you, but pretty fun is pretty easy, not gonna lie, when you're little. With California, bro. I mean, I guess you're getting driven around by your parents. Come on, man. You're lucky, bro. I'm old. Didn't you see my hair? Playing games, investing. Nah. Healthcare firm Prenetics, advised by Trump Bitcoin advocate, adopts treasury strategy with 20 million Bitcoin buy. Interesting. Even though we are getting some bad news from the world, Bitcoin's still getting good news, huh? Bro, look at Ethereum, bro. Ethereum's not looking good, bro. Yeah. Bro, I don't like Ethereum right now. I was bullish with Ethereum, but not now, man. Look at this. Strong resistance, bro. If it consolidates, it's fine, but let's see what happens here, bro. Oof, let me zoom in a little bit more. Bro, this is getting squeezed. It's crazy. Look at this. Oh, what will happen here, bro? This is crazy. Ooh. And let's remove all of this. Silly motherfuckers. Somewhere. Nah. We're going to Anaheim. Going to Anaheim for VidCon and some YouTube events. So YouTube events. I'm actually let me share with you what I'm gonna do. Give me a second. It's actually invite only, so that's why I'm going, bro. I was gonna go tomorrow, but I didn't know I had the day off, bro. If I would have known, I would have gone tomorrow. Let me show you what I'm gonna be doing, bro. Give me a second. I'm trying to find the invite. Silly motherfuckers. So check this out, my bros. No. So, and YouTube is celebrating 20th year anniversary, bro. It's crazy, bro. Okay, here's the creators events. This is one of the two, but they confirmed me that yes, I'm gonna be going there. May I do this? Just a silly motherfucker, boy. Can you see? This is where I'm going, bro. Creator Collective, Bitcoin, a meetup. So I'm gonna be going to a Roblox happy hour with Crickcraft. So hopefully I'll be able to meet him. Who knows? Who knows, bro? That's one of the 2 events I'm going. Okay, Ethereum rejecting? Ethereum rejecting. Yeah, we're just consolidating. We don't even know where we're going, bro. Stock market heat map. Let's go ahead and refresh before we go. Not a lot of movement, bro. We gotta wait for the Fed to speak. I wouldn't even get it in anything, bro, right now. I'm staying on the sidelines, bro. Not gonna even touch anything, bro. Auto USD. Nah, I wouldn't even get in that. Nah, bro. I'm not getting in anything, man. I don't like the market. I don't like right now. It's too crazy. Only with disposable income, bro. You put 150 in what, bro? In the CBCN? Well, I guess 150 is not that bad, right? Let's see. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Okay, it's creating some support. Okay, I see you, bro. Yes, sir. It's actually reacting the support area, huh? It's good. And what are you expecting for this to do, bro? Expecting this to go to the upside here. I think this is a good spot. 15%. DCA. Okay. Corgi AI. Okay. Let's see. Corgi AI. Where are you buying this, bro? Crypto.com. 0.000134. It's a new project. It's a flag. Wait, this one? A flag? What the heck are you watching, bro? Or am I watching the wrong one, man? I'm gonna be honest, I don't see a flag here, but what time frame are you looking at? Because maybe that's what I'm missing, you know? It is at a support level. This is the lowest it's been. Okay, the app with vaults. Okay. Oh, not on Corgi? Okay, which one, bro? You're giving me Corgi. You're giving me Crowcoin, CRO. CRO USD. Let's see what's doing. What it's doing. Oh, on Corgi, you put $100. Okay. Why not live it up? I like your name, bro. Yeah, this is still in a downward channel, but we'll say this is the zone. We got a resistance. Yeah, that's a resistance. I got you, bro. You've been out. Why not live it up? You've been here for so long, bro. You know, I even stopped doing these videos and you're back, bro. I really appreciate that, bro. That's what I'm about to say, bro. Like, literally, you've been following me for so long, bro. But you already know, like, there's so many investing opportunities. Like, there's not only one. Oh, bro, but you can see here, we broke this trend line. So now we gotta wait for this trend line to be broken. And if you're DCAing, you should be good, right? So, over 4 hour oversold. I will say the daily. Just wait for that daily. Is that Mark Hoppus' autobiography in the back? Yeah, bro. That's my favorite bass guitar player. And by the way, MV, do you know that I'm a musician, right? Do you see this? Let's see if I can show you. You see what it says there? It's a Mark Hoppus signature bass, bro. This is my baby. I use this to play live. And now that I'm going to Anaheim, I'm actually gonna read the autobiography. Yeah, bro. Dímelo, Huzi. Bro, you're good. Don't apologize, guys. You don't have to apologize, bro. You know, the only way that you can compensate your, I don't know, your inactivity is by liking the channel, subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, sharing the channel, bro. I really want to make YouTube a thing, bro. I do invest, I do work, I do music, but I would love to dedicate myself to do YouTube videos and music and investing, because that's where my passion is, bro. My work came from a passion. I do websites, I do digital marketing, but I do want to fully dedicate myself into this. That's why I still do it. For so many years, bro. For so many years. Husi, are you scared? Why, bro? Yeah, music for the life, bro. Yeah. Do you guys want me to share you a new song that I'm gonna be dropping soon, or? Actually, I wanna play Rockstar, bro. Let me play Rockstar so you guys can listen to it, since I am able to use it. You know, my other songs are signed with a record label, so I get like flagged and I'm not able to use it. But listen to this, bro. This is one of my favorite songs. Thank you for your support, guys. Check it out, Rockstar, on all streaming platforms, DEIVED. We'll highly appreciate if you guys can just share it, like it. Don't let me cook pizza again? What the heck does that even mean? What is the other one? Why not leave it up? I want to see what was the other one you wanted me to review. You cooked and it was on fire. Wow, that's crazy. Just be careful, bro. Nah, it wouldn't explode, bro. Just fire, bro. Ojos en ti, te sientes sexy. La banda comienza a tocar. Okay, I'm starting a poll. I want to learn from all of you guys. Is it okay to do stocks plus music in this channel? Purple Dream, Lemon Haze, su sabor preferido. Oh, DXY going up, bro. What's happening here, man? Lista y en tarima, el show va a comenzar. Te sientes sexy, la banda comienza a tocar. 10 likes, bro, 10 likes. We need 3 more likes. 2 more likes. Oh, nice question, MB. I got you. Let's do technicals, okay? Ooh. Ooh. Bro. We already did an analysis a long time ago. Still in an uptrend. Wow. One of the best performers this month. Oracle, look at that. Already up 30%, bro. It's crazy. Banging the drums. Rocking the guitar. Slapping the bass. Don't hear it. Just feel it. Banging the drums. Rocking the guitar. Slapping the bass. Don't hear it. Banging the drums. Rocking the guitar. Slapping the bass. Don't hear it. Just feel it. Let's go, bro. That song for me is so fire, bro. I love it. I can't believe I wrote it, bro. I wrote that song, bro. Man, so, bro, Oracle is doing phenomenal. Like, there's not a lot for me to say other than keep an eye on our retracement. Because if there's any pullbacks, this could be a drop opportunity. That's all I gotta say, my bro. 220s could be a great target. 240s, 250s could be. It's a little bit overbought. Honestly, when we move like this, it's just a matter of time for this to pull back down. The best entry, I'm not gonna lie, it was over here at 150s, 160s. What happened? Earnings. Earnings happened, bro. So there was a surprise earning over here of 0.058, 3.5% up, and the revenue 321 million plus 2% higher than the expected. So that actually is taking this higher, bro. It's looking good. Just watch out for, like I said, for any pullbacks. It could be a drop opportunity. There's a gap over here that I'm starting to see. There's a few gaps, honestly, that we may want to close, but it's looking phenomenal. Just the only thing, like I said, we're a little bit overbought on the daily. The weekly is overbought. The 2-pole oscillator is giving us a sign that it's still going to go higher. So wait for a pullback. If that pullback happens, it could be a great buy. Okay. Hopefully that gives you better perspective. Okay, let me see. Check out that radar. Is that a ticker or what, bro? Bro, don't cook more lasagnas, I guess. 10 likes. We only need 2 more likes, bro. Yeah. ESOPs in the beginning of August. I hope it doesn't go down. Wait, I get ESOPs in the beginning of August. Wait, what is ESOPs, bro? What the heck is that, bro? Can I look at the app thing, bro? The app radar. Is this something for me to look, or where can I find it, bro? Oh, this one. The app radar USD. This one, right? Employee stock options. Oh, you're in Oracle, bro? You're doing. Yeah, you'll be fine, bro. Bro, I have a friend that had the employee stock options as well. For a company called KAR, bro, and he's doing phenomenal, man. Doing very, very good. Bro, I can't believe that I'm leaving to California this Friday. It's crazy. You should be good, bro. You should be good. Whenever you have the opportunity to buy more stock options, just get it, bro. You are getting the best discount. And you're in Oracle, bro. That's crazy. That's so good. What's happening here with my computer? I want to check this out, bro. I want to check this out. Here you go. Finally. So this is a new project you're saying, right? Let's go ahead and add some lines. Let's get the horizontal array. Thank you for the sub, bro. Thank you. Tig Lightfoot. Thank you. Appreciate it, my friend. Don't forget to like the live stream. Oh, we got 10 likes. Let's go. Bro, let's go. 10 likes. We did it. Get some more music in the background. I don't know what's happening to my computer, my bros. Okay, this is actually looking better now. Just fix it a little bit. Good range. So the 4 daily. We're a little bit over bots. We went down. Seems a little bit of a pump and dumpy here, but let's see. Is there a website for this, bro? There's no website for this, right? Strong buy. Oh, there you go. The app radar. Is why not leave it up still here or not? Oh, you're hearing this one. Ah. Oh, top blockchain games. Okay, so you basically exchange here. It's a 0.0021. Big drop today. On this one. Yeah, it did happen. So it's this one, right? Might be a buy. I mean, any drop in any project that you believe in, right? Could definitely be a buy, but it's crazy that went up and down like that. It's almost like double the price. See what's trending here. A lot of games, bro. Interesting. And you get paid in crypto if you win? I'm guessing yes, but look at this. Oh, gaming NFTs. Interesting. Look at that. 2.5 Ethereum. So he has a marketplace and everything. Ooh, I'm liking that, bro. This is actually looking interesting to me, bro. Thank you for sharing this, bro. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Going back to Bitcoin, 104,464, holding up. Let's see if he holds up, bro. DXY becoming bullish. I actually wanted to buy some USD APY, bro. Espérate. We haven't broken the major trend line, but I'm waiting, bro. Euro USD, I wanted to sell. Should have sold, bro. I should have sold. Look at this. Oh, we're gonna go down, bro. Euro going down. Maybe 1.145, maybe 1.13. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there, guys. I want to say thank you all for your amazing support. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to like the live stream. Don't forget to share, subscribe. If you're new, ring the bell so you get notified, bro. We do these videos con mucho amor. Tomorrow, let's see if I join. Let's see. But just to let you all know, I'm leaving to California this Friday. I'll see you next week. We do the videos con mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go.